Good morning again, 10th class bio, the chapter reproduction, the last topic. Our today's topic is birth control methods. Okay, I am D. Bhavani Singh, PGT Biology. So, we will discuss all the things. Okay, what is the biggest problem? Problem is this is our my dear friend, our India. Okay, India. Now, what is the problem? As compared to whole world, we are only 2.1% of land area, but here the population lives right now is approximately 132 crore. That means the land is less, but the population is increasing day by day. It is a very biggest problem for our country. So that we can manage the resources, our health department, our the Indian government is there, and the Indian government one department is called health department. In that one special branch that is called family welfare department bring the ideas and introduce the program of birth control method in India, so that we can check or we can say some reduce the population increase. Okay, so what are the authentic, we can say, process that are introduced into the India or family planning methods? Okay, family planning methods. Basically, first method we can classify that these are two or three category. Number one category we will discuss barrier method. Okay, student, what is barrier method? It is also called physical or mechanical method. That means what it does, it prevents the fusion of sperm and egg, that is ovum. So that's why it works like a barrier that stops the way. Okay, so what are the example of these one? In case of these are the two type, we are having the barrier method for, we have different for males and different for females. Okay, now first one is called, in case of male, is called condoms. These are freely distributed by the health department, Asha Sahayogini, all over the India in all health centers. Even they are available in the market at medical shop. Okay, because where they are used, they are used on penis before intercourse. It prevent the entry of sperm into the reproductive tract, and finally the fusion does not occur. Okay, other one, the method it for use of female, that is also called female condoms. Even diaphragm third is cervical cervicap. Okay, so how it is does, basically these are two common thing. We have studied that this is the diagram of, this is birth canal. This diaphragm, cervical cap, both are introduced and it blocks the cervix, and finally it does not allow the sperm to enter into the body, and finally it prevents the fusion. Even female condoms are very available in the market that are applied or used by females only, and they are single to use. Only very important fact is we will discuss all the facts, like barrier method is also there, chemical method is also there, even surgical method is also there for family planning or for control the birth control method. We can also call them birth control methods. But no, anything which is used in chemical method or surgical can't protect from sexual transmitted disease. Only this condom and the female condom that can protect from STDs, HIV, AIDS. We have discussed syphilis, gonorrhea. Only condom can protect, or female condom can protect from these disease. Okay, so it is a tricky question, came in exam also. Now we will discuss chemical method. Okay, what is chemical method? Few products are available and meant for females that are called hormonal pills, hormonal pills or hormonal tablets. Okay, like example, Mala D, Mala N, Saheli, these are even unwanted 72. Okay, these are basically tablets. So what happens when these are tablets are taken by the females, because these are meant only for female, then what happens? Ovulation or production of egg does not occur. If the egg is not released from the ovary, then what happens? The sperm will not fuse with the egg. So this tablets Mala D, Mala N, Saheli, unwanted 72, all stops or ceases the development of sperms, egg cells or ovum in the ovary. Okay, that's why it is called chemical methods. Okay, some jellies are also available in market, jelly or creams that are used by females. Then what they do, these are applied into the birth canal before the intercourse, and when the sperms come in contact with this jelly cream, they got killed. Okay, so these jellies and creams kills the sperm, that are also used. So in chemical method we use Mala D, Mala N, Saheli, unwanted 72, even spermicidal jelly, that name is spermicidal jelly creams. Okay, that kills the sperm, that is chemical method. So we will discuss the surgical method on next page. Surgical method. Okay, what is surgical method? The surgery being done in case of male, in case of female. Okay, we know that in scrotum testes are present, and that brings the sperm outside the body through this vas deferens we have discussed earlier in earlier lecture. So what they do, this vas deferens is being cut and tied by the nylon thread from both the side, and finally during the intercourse the no sperm release out. So this is called, surgery is called vasectomy. It is 20-minute surgery, vasectomy, which happens, which cutting and tie the vas deferens. Okay, it is surgical method. In case of female, we know that the both two fallopian tubes are there that brings the ovum from ovary. So what happens in this surgery, it is also very small time surgery done by the gynae practitioner or surgeon. They cut the oviduct, or fallopian tube. Now they cut it and then tied with the nylon thread both the side. It is a permanent method. This is also permanent method. Both the surgical method are permanent method of family planning. If the surgery being done, then no fertilization, or we can say the childbirth can occur in future, but sometime it fails if the surgery is not done properly. It is done by only medical practitioner by full training. So both the side, this tube is cut, oviduct and fallopian tube, that is oviduct or fallopian tube, cut and tied it by the nylon thread. So no ovum can enter here and fertilization does not occur. So it is a permanent method. Okay, also this is also called tubectomy. Okay, vasectomy, this name is very important, and this tubectomy, this is name is very important. एग्जाम में ये पूछा जा सकता है. Okay, these are permanent method. Okay, okay, and the last one we will discuss, that is called IUD. Sometime the question is asked what is IUD. Okay, that is also a physical barrier method, we can say, but it is can be discussed alone also. IUD means intrauterine device, contraceptive device, intrauterine contraceptive device. The example is copper T or loops. Okay, what is basically that, in earlier time this kind of structure, okay, this is it there, this is the structure. This whole part is made up of special kind of plastic, but the end part is contains the copper. Okay, why? Because copper ion, when release copper ions, when it get fixed into the, we can say, I again draw the diagram so that I can explain easily. Suppose this is uterus, and finally when this copper T is fixed inside the uterus, it will block the way of fallopian tube. Okay, so no ovum can come this side or this side, or no sperm can go that side, so fusion does not occur. So this is copper T is fixed. It is a temporary, basically temporary. It is done by trained nurse at health center, hospitals. Okay, then what is the role of this copper ion? Very important for exam point. copper ion kills the sperms. Okay, this is the importance of this copper ion or loop, which is fixed inside the uterus, and it check the entry of sperm into the oviduct or fallopian tube, or prevent the ovum to come into the uterus. It can be, but it is a two type of these copper ion loops are available. One is called normal, that can be applied for 3 year only. After 3 year it should be removed. One is called hormonal, that is different. Here by the injection the hormone is get filled, and this hormone by hollow tube release into this area, and that release continuously, and it can prevent the ovulation or release or maturation of ovum for 5 to 7 years. Hormonal can prevent for 7 years. But nowadays the normal plastic made copper tea is used, that does not contain nowadays, not used, not used nowadays, because in some cases the copper corner made of this copper tea can create the wounds in fallopian duct, oviduct, and sometime it can develop into cancer also. So nowadays a single plastic made copper tea is used, that is special kind of plastic made. It does not contain nowadays copper. Okay, so we have discussed all the family planning method. Then last I will discuss side effects and benefits. First we discuss benefits. Benefit is what? Easy available. Which one? Barrier methods. Easy available. Second, economical, low cost. Third, temporary, they can be used for temporary short period of time. Okay, safe to use. Benefit, helps in family planning. Okay, these are the very important point, because all the barrier methods are freely available at health center and can purchase from the market. Easy available, economical, very economical, cost just because between 15 rupees or something or more, 70 rupees up to. Temporary, only single used for short period of time, safe to use, and even help in family planning method. Okay, and the last, side effect. Side effect in case of some time, the uh, lubricating materials of which one? Condoms can create allergy. Even hormonal tablet can sometime permanent blocks the ovulation or egg development in some cases. Then obesity increases or reported in some cases. That means the material used in condoms and diaphragm, sometime it can cause allergy. Hormone tablet like Mala D, Mala and Saheli, sometime if the unknowingly the more dose is taken for continuously long period of time, it stops the egg development permanently in some cases or for a long period of time. Even obesity when the because basically they are chemically synthesized hormones. So when hormones are taken, what happens? It causes obesity in some people, so reported in some case. So this is the last point. I think you like all the things I have discussed in easy way. And if there is any some spelling mistake, so please forgive me. And please note down all the notes that will help you in exam. Thank you. Have a nice day.